Look at our Mickey bar. It's so cute. Please stay bar. Hey guys! Today is day 3 here in Singapore and this is the day na we're gonna go sa Disney Cruise. So as of now, nag-get ready na kami. Nagpapack na kami ng gamit namin. And it's currently 10:50 na pala, mag-11 a.m. And ipipick up kami dito sa hotel ng 11:30 a.m. And then 12:15 yung check-in time namin sa cruise. And by the way, we're wearing matchy shirts. Here's Mickey Mouse and it says Disney Cruise. Tapos may mga kanya-kanya kaming pangalan sa shirt. Like, this is Sophia. This is the back of our shirt. Cute, di ba guys? Pakita mo yung sayo, yung Solen. Look, may Solen. So, kaming family, parehas kami ng shirt. So, yeah, nag-get ready lang kami. Kailangan na ipasok ng mga kagamitan sa loob ng bag. Weird. So weird. You're so weird. Hindi, sa taas. Ito. Oh, okay na. Pagtabihin mo yung mga big maleta. Double check mo na yung mga CR kung may mga naiwan pa. Mga keycard. Ipunin yung mga keycard. Guys, taste test. May nakita kaming Yakult dito sa Singapore. Iba-ibang flavor. Ito, grape flavor. Amazing. Ito, ano to? Orange flavor.
Apple.
Apple flavor.
Tignan natin yung
Akala ko
orange.
lang ka, meron.
Okay naman yun. Mas masarap to. Orange.
Alam mo, ang lasa niya parang Dutch mill.
Oo. Tama ka, sister. Sasabihin ko sana gamot.
Masarap to.
Masarap yung grapes. Masarap yung grapes.
Apple.
Pinakamasarap yung grapes.
Pinakamasarap sa akin orange.
Pero masarap ang Yakult pag malamig. Halika na. Okay, guys. Let's go to Disney Cruise.
Welcome to Disney Cruise Adventure 2026!
Basta po? Opo, Binoy. Basta kayo?
Kamusta
Welcome
kuya?
po.
Say hi po.
Welcome po sa Disney Adventure. Thank you po. So, pwede po kayo mag-lunch. Doon po.
How do you let this do? Hello guys. So, andito na kami sa... Hello guys. So, andito na kami sa loob ng stateroom and hindi alam ni Chief. Hihiga na po ako ng my outside clothes.
Hey guys! Hindi ko nadala yung DJI ko, kaya nag-film lang ako using my phone. We are already settled here in the ship and kakain muna kami ng lunch namin. We're here at Pixar Market. Ito yung napili naming restaurant to eat. Yung restaurant na to is free. And my table mates are my roommates. Jessie and Solen. Here's my food. And this is our view. Ayun yung Marina Bay Sand. And andun sila mami nakaupo. Andun sila.
Malila lang ako. Hey! Malila lang.
Hey guys! So, it's time to decorate our room. Dito kasi guys sa Disney Cruise, parang naging tradition din siya ng mga nagko-cruise na dinidesignan yung room. So, eto, magdidesign kami ng room. And our theme is Encanto theme. Sila, ang theme nila is
Star Wars.
yeah. Tapos sila mommy, nandun sila sa other room. Yung theme nila is Little Mermaid.
Okay, let's go. Ay, narinig na ako nagreklamo.
Hey guys! We're currently exploring the ship. Nandito kami sa part ng San Francisco Street. This is Baymax Team. Pipika-pika muna kami. Something to eat lang. Dito sa Cosmic Kebab. Wow, ang sweet! Si Mami Wawa. My two brothers.
Sino pinakagwapo dito?
Ay, syempre ikaw. Ikaw, walang iba.
Tayo nakakaligo dahil sa AI.
Guys, okay, 8:30 na and andito na kami sa Animators Palace. Basta nandito kami sa Animators. Tapos, yung pakulo ng Animators is, pwede ka mag-drawing. Pwede ka mag-drawing dito ng kahit ano. Tapos yung i-drawing mo, if-flash nila dito. Amazing. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila ginagawa, but yeah, mag-draw. Gamit ni Jessie. Wait. Uy, nandun yung akin!
Ayun yun sa akin! Deliver dito si Daddy!
Yung kay Isha! Guys, look at our Mickey bar. It's so cute. It's already our dessert time. Salted caramel cheesecake, yung in-order namin.
Sabado. Sunday. Sunday. This is Sunday.
Raspberry mousse, ganyan. No sugar yata yan.
No sugar. Yes, yung no sugar.
Cheers! Masarap naman. Parang okay lang.
naman itong chocolate, ha?
It's good. Guys, nagkaroon ako ng badge. It says official Disney animator.
Bulls, the goats, the real goat.
Pang grade 1.
Cutesy.
Chick,
Laker.
look at them chick. Saka maganda kay Chucho.
Oo nga. Yung sa'yo, yung pinakamaganda.
Guys, yung peg ko, yung character ko, yung Nyota.
Maganda rin sa'yo.
Nakapantulog na kami, we're ready to sleep. Pero, kailangan namin kumuha ng water. So, bababa muna ka. Bababa? Deck 10? Yeah. We're in deck 15. And pupunta kami sa deck 10 to get our water. Guys, pag mag-Disney cruise pala kayo, you can bring your own tumbler. Kasi refill stations are everywhere. So, you can bring your tumbler. Mabit-bit nyo yung drinks na mga gusto nyo everywhere.
Ayaw ko na kasi.
For your reference, guys, may free pizza rin dito. Kumuha kami para may midnight snack kami. Let's go! Guys, look at their stateroom. Ang ganda ng design. Toy Story. Pinag-effortan. Wow. Amazing.
Ayun mo, ang dami nila.
Guys, nag-iikot kami ngayon. And meron dito isang stateroom. Pwede ka magsulat. So, eto sila.
Akala ko andyan si Owie Nini. Owie Nini, hindi ka naman yata naglilego. Akin na to.
Ang cute kasi guys nung door design nila, look. Oh, may birthday pala sa kanila. Ayan. namin. So cute. Ang cute ng mga stateroom dito kasi nag-iiwan sila. Like, you can take one from here, ganon.
Kuha ka to sa
Yeah, I'll get.
Sticker
Kuha ano
mo
si,
Bestie.
kuha ano si Bestie din. Ito cute yung violet.
Pwede ba dito? Okay na yun si Bestie, wala pa.
And then, one candy. Yun,
Ito,
ang cute. Another one, get one here.
Si Lilo.
Ay, parang gusto ko rin to.
Ano kasi siya? Parang wipes and notebook.
Guys, look, oh, Lion King. Ang ganda. Good morning, guys! Today is our 4th day here in Singapore and 2nd day here in cruise.
It's already 8:30 a.m. and mag-ready lang kami. Ang agenda namin today is mag-pixie dusting. Kahapon, daming naglagay sa bags namin. I-list down namin yung mga stateroom na nagbigay sa amin. We'll give back to them today.
Guys, may Mickey Waffles. So cute! Mickey Waffles. Happy breakfast. Okay guys, it's time for our pixie dusting. So meron kaming baon dito and maghahanap kami ng mga stateroom na pwedeng hulugan to. Oh, please take one. Oh, ang cute.
You pixie dust na.
Oh, it's a straw. Please take one.
Oh, yung mga
So cute.
Hi.
Hi.
We are from...
Fish extender.
Extender.
Yeah.
Thank you.
These are my kids.
Okay.
We have something for you.
Hey guys! So kakatapos lang namin mag-pixie dust. Magpa-photo lang kami dito sa labas ng stateroom namin. We're Encanto theme. Tapos suot din namin yung outfits namin. So I'm Isabel Madrigal. This is Mirabel. Yeah. Mermaid Ariel. Mermaid security si Daddy. Okay na. Guys, look, oh. Pagbalik namin ng room namin, may elephant na dito. Ang cute. Tapos may binigay sila, chocolate. Tigi-isa kami. Yes po. Okay guys, it's lunchtime and andito kami sa Enchanted Summer. Dito kami sa part ni Olaf. We're having pasta, steak, and may chicken. It's already 2 p.m. na kasi and hanggang 2 p.m. lang yung restaurant. Tapos sobrang sakto namin dumating. Nung dumating kami dito, pasara na sila. So, nagmadali kami kumuha ng food. Bon appetit! Hindi, ikaw yan.
One, two, three. Perfect.
Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa Deck 17 and we're gonna swim. Yeah, let's sit down first. Let's eat some pizza. This is the fit guys, I'm wearing yellow. Do you have pepperoni? Can I have 3 cheese and 3 pepperoni?
Just not chill here.
Sayang, sarado kasi yung main swimming pool. Mandatory cleaning sila, so hindi kami doon makaswim. Kaya ang ginawa na lang namin kanina is nag-slide na lang kami para hindi naman sayang yung punta namin doon sa deck 17. Kaya bumaba kami dito sa other swimming pool, but it's a smaller one. Ito yung view ng stateroom namin. So nandito kami sa Wayfinder Bay. Kids, smile! Owie! Jessie! Hey guys! So kakatapos lang namin mag-swim and get ready with me kasi magdi-dinner kami ng 8:30. So yung assigned dinner place namin for tonight is Pixar Market. Yeah, masarap yung Pixar Market and maraming choice, maraming food options doon. Just guys, kumakain pala ako ng Difflam lozenges. Kasi sumasakit yung lalamunan ko. Kulang kasi ako lagi ng tulog. Maybe the main cause kung bakit masakit yung lalamunan ko is dahil sa puyat. Kasi pag napupuyat ako, sumasakit yung lalamunan ko and nagiging sipon siya. Tapos pala guys, may fireworks kami mamaya at 10:30 p.m. So maybe after dinner, dadiretso na kami sa fireworks kasi it will be in the same floor lang din naman.
Saan tayo, sister? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Complete. Mother?
Guys, mag-blower lang ako ng hair and I'll be ready. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Pixar Market Restaurant and every dinner, hindi siya buffet style, so isa-serve yung food and we have to choose our food here sa menu. Unlike kapag lunch and breakfast, it's always buffet style.
Unang umuwi sa Bicol. Wala pa akong uwi sa Bicol.
Huwag ka naman mag-steak. Yung iba naman i-try mo.
Ay naman ang iba kasi na gusto ko dito.
Bolognese. Red sauce.